So today in the morning, when I was talking to someone over the phone, he asked me this question. His question was, since when you're teaching English? Now, do you think that this is a correct way of asking the duration of an action that started sometimes in the past and still happening? Do you think that this is the right question? See guys, this is not the right question. And it's not only about him. I mean, I have heard a lot of people saying the same. In fact, you must have heard, right? So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to teach you how to ask this question. So guys, don't say that since when you are doing something, say that how long have you been doing something? How long have you been doing something, right? For example, how long have you been working with Barclays? Your answer would be, I have been working with Barclays for 4 years, or I have been working with Barclays since 2015, right? Don't say that since when you're working on this project. Say that how long have you been working on this project? How long have you been working on this project? Your answer could be, I have been working on this project for 6 months. And guys, with I, we, you, they, we use have been. And with he, she, it, or any name, we use has been. For example, how long has Rahul been waiting for you? Has Rahul been, right? You can't say have Rahul been because Rahul is a name. And with name, we use has been. So how long has Rahul been waiting for you? Your answer would be, Rahul has been waiting for me for 30 minutes, right? For 30 minutes. So next time, when you want to know the duration, when you want to know the duration of an action that started sometimes in the past and it's still happening, you want to know the duration, ask this. How long have you been doing this, right? So for example, if you want to ask this question, so the question he should have asked that, how long have you been teaching English? How long have you been teaching English? So my answer would have been, I have been teaching English for 15 years. I have been teaching English for 15 years. So don't say since when you are doing something, say how long have you been doing something. Guys, I hope that you have understood it. And here's a request. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe it, right? Please subscribe it. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for time. Bye for now.